Hello guys, thank you very much for joining in. Hi, this is Ganesh Nayak, and just a small video with respect to the scheduling of the exam. And this is what I've seen for the May 2022 exam itself. But before that means July 2021 or November 2021, I didn't see any specific pattern. But explicitly for the May 2022 exam, I saw that people who had scheduled their exam the last 3-4 days, they primarily got a slightly tougher exam paper. Okay, and initially, because I've been talking to students who have given the exam. Okay, so initially when I was getting the response, I thought only a few students might have got a difficult exam, but overall what I found out that the paper at the start of the exam window was slightly easy, and then primarily as we move towards the end, okay, the exam became slightly tough. Okay, there's no comment from the institute regarding this, but this has been my observation. Okay, and I feel why this is happening, because before this exam, before this May 2022 exam, there was no such thing happening. But I feel institute is also trying to analyze how students are answering the question, and they're also trying to change their pattern, their way of asking questions, and controlling the overall exam. Okay, so I think so they feel that the last 3-4 days students, they have more information with respect to what is happening in the exam. Okay, with the starting days, because they talk to other students, they come to know whether the exam is heavy theory, heavy calculation, what kind of questions are coming, which topics are getting repeated. So I think so institute has taken note of that, and they are making it slightly tougher for the students who are going for the last 3-4 days of the exam. Okay, because they have advantage of the information. Okay, I'm not sure if this is going to get repeated for November 2022 exam, but my suggestion would be, if you are planning to go for the exams, try to schedule your exam in between the exam window. Don't go at the end, because that is very normal. Everybody who registered for the exam, they try to register their exam at the end itself, assuming that they will get more time. Okay, but that entire thing got reversed in the May 2022 exam. The last 3-4 days, at least the students I've spoken to, they've said that the exam pattern was slightly tougher as compared to what was coming in the initial and the middle window of the exam. Okay, so I thought I'll just share this with you guys to help you prepare better for the exam. And again, this is just my understanding, my belief. Okay, I might be wrong also in the way the exam is conducted, but this is what I have observed while talking to a lot of students. Okay, I hope this video is helpful for your preparation. In case you want me to talk about any particular topic in terms of the query for the exam or FRM preparation, do let me know in the comment section. We'll create a video for that also. Thank you.